Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is a quick tips here. If you have a Honda Accord from 1990, 2003, 2007, on this car here, to program the remote is very simple. You come in, close all the doors, put the key inside, turn the ignition, push one time, second time, third time, fourth time, and fourth time you're gonna hear all the door lock and unlock the cycle. As soon as the car is programmed, you see here, everything good. And why I do that? Because I change this window switch, power window switch, and the remote. As soon as you change it, the remote will not work. This power window switch is no good. We change it with the new one, with the used one. There are some power window switch on Amazon. I bought one for Honda Odyssey. It never worked. It doesn't have the functionality of the remote. So the remote frequency is going to be registered in here. And to program it, as I told you, is very simple. You're gonna put all Honda this way. The way of programming is like this. Some of them, as soon as you program the remote, it will take the door programming automatically. Like this one here, you do 1, 2, 3, 4. You hear lock and unlock will cycle. Take it out.